Hello guys, welcome to the Computer Guys videos, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to assign an IP address to a Cisco router. And to do that I'm going to be using Cisco Packet Tracer. You can download it from Cisco website. So let's go ahead and do that. So when you open the Packet Tracer, you can select the devices from here. So right now you can see this is router here. You can see on the top. This is a switch, this is a hub, this is a wireless device, it's a firewall, and I can remember that when emulation. So when you select that, you will see the list of all the routers you have. Let's use this one, 1941. Okay, and sorry, zoom in. You can see it is turned on. The green light means it's turned on, and it has auxiliary port, console, gigabit connection here, gigabit here. Okay, and this is the GUI configuration for a router. Here you can see gigabit Ethernet 0/0 is not on. You can assign IP address here, subnet mask here, but this is a CLI. It's hard to see right now because the font is too small, so I'll make it bigger. Here, CLI, I'll make it 12. Let's see how big is that. Apply. Let's go. Let's see. Yeah, that looks fine. Okay. Oops. Control Alt 6. What's it? Control Shift 6. Yeah. Okay. Exit. Okay. So when you open a router for the first time, or when you call console into the router first time, you won't see. This is what you will see. So when you hit enter, it will ask you. You will see this mode here. That's it. Okay. And to go into the privileged mode, we enter enable. That is the command. And now you're in privileged mode. And to find how do you know? Here, the number sign here. Okay. And then the host name for the router by default is router. So that's not very helpful. Let's say you have 4 routers in bigger organizations, you'll probably have hundreds of routers. So how do you differentiate between which one you are working on? So you can change the host name here. Okay, and this way you will know. So privileged mode, you can check your configurations. You can check which IP address is assigned to which interface is doing what, which interface is turned on. Okay, but you can't really do any configuration that will directly affect the routers. For example, you cannot assign IP address. You cannot configure a default route in privileged mode. Okay, but what you can do is you can find out a lot of helpful information. So let's say, for example, I want to see a status of all interfaces. So I'll type in the command show IP interfaces, and when you hit tab, the command will be filled in directly. Okay, so yeah, I'll do it again. Show IP. I just type I and hit enter. If there's another command that is starting with I, it won't work. So I'll type after show. See, it doesn't work because there are a lot of commands, and to find out what command follows after the show command, you can type in question mark. You can see there's so many hundreds of commands, probably many commands. See, so let's go. Show IP interface, and you can see gigabit 0/0 is administratively down, light protocol is down, same for gigabit 0/0, VLAN is 1 is administratively down. Okay, so let's go in, and but before we do that, let's configure a small network here. We'll go ahead and grab a PC from here, and we will connect it to a PC, and then we obviously need to have a connection between these two. Okay, so you can select all the wires, correct wires from here. Okay, but this one here, it will automatically select the appropriate uh, connection wire or Ethernet cable that will connect this router to this PC. Okay, so it is the correct one is copper crossover here. You can see by this. Okay, let's go. So let's to make any configuration changes or make any direct changes, we need to be in global configuration mode, and to do that the command is configure terminal, enter, and you can see we are in global config mode. It says enter configuration command 1 per line. Okay, so we are connected. Okay, so the the interface that is connecting with the router to the PC is gigabit 0/0 on router, plus Ethernet 0 on the PC. Okay, so we need to assign an IP address to the router gigabit 0/0 interface. Okay, so let's go, and to enter that interface, the command is interface gigabit 0/0. Okay, you can see 0/0 from there. We hit enter, and you can see it has changed now. Okay, if we represent that you're in interface mode right now, and you can again hit question mark to see all the commands. So to assign an IP address, what we'll be doing, we will be configuring 192.168.1.0/24 network here. So we will assign 1.1 to gigabit 0/0 and 1.2 to fast Ethernet 0 here on the PC. Okay, so we say IP address 192.168.1.1. Okay, so this is the IP address, but to tell the router the network, the subnet mask, we will just type in the subnet mask right after we type in the address. So IP address is space and then subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Okay, and then we hit enter. But we are not done right now because the interface is still shut down. Okay, so turn it off, we type in the command no shutdown, and when we hit enter, you will see a message. See, you see interface gigabit 0/0 is changed state to up, and the LAN protocol on interface gigabit 0/0 has changed to up as well. Okay, and you can see that the lights are green. This means that the interfaces are on. Okay, and then we and now if we run the command, see, if we run the command show IP interface, you can see the gigabit 0/0 is up. LAN protocol is also up, and it shows you what IP address you have. Okay, it tells you broadcast address is this, and then if we hit enter, you can see gigabit 0/0 is still down. Okay, because we haven't turned it on. We haven't made any configuration. Okay, so let's go on the PC and then assign an IP address to the PC here. So we'll say 192.168.1.2, subnet mask 255.255.255.0 or /24. We don't really need default gateway right now. It's not going outside. Okay, so let's try to let's go into PC command prompt, type IP config, and you can see the IP addresses here. So let's do a ping. Let's see if our connection is working. Okay, so we type ping 192.168.1.1, and you can see the ping is working here. We are getting a reply, and 4 packets were sent, 4 were received, and 0% lost. This means connection is working. We can also do the ping in this in the router, and to do that we have to be in the global privileged mode, not in global. So the command is same ping 192.168.1.2. 2 is the PC, and you can see success rate is 100%. Okay. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys about the changing the host name for the router. Okay. So to do that, we have to be in the global config mode again. See, I hit type, and the command was filled in automatically. So the command is host name, and let's say I will call it Toronto router, and you can see the router name has changed. Okay. So this is the way to change the host name. And the other way to check the connectivity between PC and the router is to select a packet from here, click on the router, and you will see a packet that is shown on the router, and then you click back on the PC, and you can see that there is a successful connection here. This means that ping is working. Okay. You can also see. Forgot how do you do that? You have to be in. Yeah. So you can see here the information in the outbound PDU. Okay. Oh, let's forget this. Anyways, here. Okay. See, so the ping process starts the next ping request. The ping process creates an ICMP request. The ping encapsulates the data. Same process. It sets time to live. Device looks up the destination IP address. The CF table has an entry. Next layer. The next IP address is in the agency table. The data device encapsulate. Out sends out the frame, and then there's then we can see the more details in using the frames and stuff. Okay, so very helpful. Packet tracer is very helpful. Okay. Okay. So, thank you for watching this video. Please rate it, subscribe it, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in another video soon. If you have any request, if you want me to improve on anything, this is my second video. Please check out the first video. I'll really appreciate any comment that you left, even if you tell me that I'm not doing good and I'm not doing a good job. I won't mind it, because it will be another chance for me to learn. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.